Hello friends, once again welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video we will show about how to change your Snapchat password. Please make sure this process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. Watch this full video to learn how to change your Snapchat's password. Now let's begin. First of all, open the Snapchat on your device. Next, we'll need to try login. Now here you will need to enter your Snapchat username or email ID. After enter username or email ID, simply tap on Forgot Password. Now select how to reset password via phone or email. Here I am select via phone. So now here we'll need to enter your mobile number. Then tap continue and now select send via text. Now you will get confirmation code on your mobile number which you enter. You will get this code from Snapchat team. Once you got this code, enter here. If you enter email ID instead of mobile number, then you will get code on email ID. Now here you can set your new password. So first here enter new password and then again enter confirm password. Once you confirm this password, tap continue. Next here, you can see that your password has been updated. Now here enter new password to login. So here you can see that successfully logged in with new password. So that's how easily you can change your Snapchat password. I hope this video will helpful to all of you. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If this will help you, then please do comments. Thank you so much for watching this.